In this video, I will show you how you can transfer region in League of Legends. First, what you need to do is you need to log into your account. Once that's done, you should see the homepage here. Go into the shop right here. Once you're in shop, you should see a little icon right here that says account. Click on it. And from in here, you should be able to see transfer to and then a server name. So as you can see here, I can transfer to basically everywhere. You just select it and just keep in mind it's gonna cost riot points. You cannot do it for blue essence. There's no way to do it with blue essence now. So you need to spend real money before you can transfer. And as you can see, it's 2,600 riot points. So that's about a little above 22 euros. Basically, that's how you do it, guys. It's really simple. Just keep in mind, it does cost real money. You cannot do it with blue essence. That's about it. Thanks for watching.